everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are learning how to adjust map brightness in Identity 5. If you are looking for a way to brighten your map, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open your Identity 5 game on your device and log in to your account. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. This will take you to this general tab where you need to click on graphics from the left. Inside the graphic tab, scroll down and then look for the map brightness section. Tap on map brightness setting and then adjust the brightness by dragging the little slider towards the right. If you want to brighten the map, move the slider towards the right and click on confirm. If you want to decrease the brightness, move it towards the left and click on confirm. You can also choose to apply this brightness setting to all the maps by tapping on apply to all maps and click confirm. And once you do that, you'll be able to adjust the brightness for your map on Identity 5. So that's it. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.